What if I told you the biggest financial secret in America is hiding in plain sight? Not locked in a bank vault, not buried in some billionaire's mansion, but hidden inside the way you were taught to think about money. Because while most people are working harder every year, the wealthy are quietly playing a completely different game. And the scariest part, most people will never realize it until it's too late. Have you ever looked at your paycheck and wondered how it disappears faster than your motivation on Monday morning? Yeah, that's not an accident. You were trained to survive financially, not to become wealthy. From childhood, most people are taught, go to school, get a stable job, work hard, save money. Sounds responsible, right? But here's the problem. The rich don't become rich by following those rules alone. They understand something the average person never gets taught. Money is a tool, and tools are meant to build assets, not lifestyles designed to impress strangers online. While the middle class buys liabilities that look rich, the wealthy buy assets that quietly pay them every month. And once you understand this shift, you'll never look at money the same way again. But this is where it gets uncomfortable, because the next secret explains why so many hardworking people stay financially stuck for decades, even while earning decent incomes.
The rich know something most people ignore. Income alone will never make you wealthy. You can earn $100,000 a year and still be broke. Meanwhile, someone earning less may quietly become financially free. Why? Because wealth is not built from income. It's built from ownership. Ownership of businesses, ownership of investments, ownership of assets. The wealthy don't trade time for money forever. They build systems that make money without them constantly working. That's why billionaires obsess over cash flow, not flexing, not appearances, not looking successful, and definitely not financing a luxury car at 18% interest just to post it on Instagram. Let's be honest, some people are paying premium gas prices just to drive to jobs they hate. Meanwhile, the wealthy are buying things that generate income while they sleep. That's the difference. The average person asks, "What can I buy?" The wealthy ask, "What can make me money?" And this changes everything. But here's the secret almost nobody talks about. The rich don't just invest money, they invest attention. While most people spend 5 hours scrolling social media, wealthy individuals spend time learning skills that increase their value. Sales, marketing, investing, communication, business. Because they understand one powerful truth. Your income grows in proportion to the value you create, not the hours you suffer. And right now, there's a dangerous trap keeping millions financially stuck. A trap designed to look normal: consumer culture. Every day, people are told to spend more, upgrade more, borrow more, consume more. New phone, new car, new trends, new subscriptions you forgot you even pay for. And while people stay distracted buying temporary happiness, the wealthy are quietly acquiring long-term freedom. That's the real game. But there's one final secret. And honestly, this might be the most important one of all, because this single mindset shift separates people who stay average from people who build real wealth over time.
The rich think long-term. That's it. That's the hidden advantage. Most people want fast money, fast success, fast results, fast validation. But wealth is usually slow, quiet, boring, disciplined. The wealthy understand delayed gratification. They're willing to sacrifice temporary pleasure for permanent freedom. While others chase status, they chase leverage. While others buy things to look rich, they buy assets to become rich. And over time, that gap becomes massive because small financial decisions repeated for years shape your entire future. Every dollar you waste today is future freedom you're giving away. Every skill you avoid learning is income you may never earn. Every year you delay investing is time you can never recover. And this is why the rich seem to move ahead faster and faster, because money compounds, but so do habits, so does knowledge, so does discipline. Imagine your future self watching you right now. Would they thank you for the financial decisions you're making today, or warn you to wake up before it's too late? Because nobody is coming to save your financial future. Not your boss, not the government, not luck. But the good news? You do not need to be born rich to build wealth. You simply need to understand the rules of the game earlier than most people. And once you do, everything changes. 5 years from now, you will either look back grateful that you started learning about money today, or regret that you ignored the signs. The choice is happening right now. If this video changed the way you think about money, hit the like button. Subscribe for more videos on financial freedom, wealth psychology, and smart money habits. And share this video with someone who needs to hear this before they make another expensive mistake. Because sometimes one financial lesson can change an entire life.